do not hang a freaking sheet on your window on my property. If they break the window blinds, we bill them for them. But I put the window blinds in because if the tenant comes in here, they're screwing, you know, they're gonna hang a curtain or they're gonna hang a sheet over there, and I don't want sheets hanging from my properties at all. Yeah, I don't like it. It's trashy. In my opinion, it's trashy. I don't want that. They'll put a curtain rod and they'll screw it here, screw it. I don't want them doing that. I don't want them, because everybody wants to do it, and by the time they do it, and we tell everybody you can't do it. And if they do it, then we charge them for repairing the holes in the walls whenever it's done. We don't want the window dressings on the outside because it just messes everything up, and they don't do it right. And if I put it in, then I got to maintain it, and I don't want to do that. You know, everything is looking at it and say, okay, I figured this house had $500 a year in maintenance costs of anything that I got to do to it. And that's my hard number. That's what I got, and that'll cover my guys coming over here, cleaning the air conditioning coils, come over here, cleaning refrigerators, and do things like that. Basically, you're using everything in it. But everything in this house, I mean, when I rehabbed it, everything, the refrigerator was new, the washer and dryer, or the stove was new, the water heater was new, everything was new. We don't, like we say in all of our other videos, if we are a year to 2 years out from the water heater being expiring, chances are I'm going to replace it right now.